What is up, guys? It's David, Third Coast Hustle. Got another fun one today. Pretty yucky up there. It's pretty good up there too. Maybe for some killer before and afters. Very active bunch of customers. They got a bunch of family over, I'm assuming. Seems like, you know how family is. It's great to see them, but sometimes it's great to see them go. I just stepped in a whole bunch of mud. This will be fun. Won't take too long. Got some interesting angles to get at. Hopefully that duct tape window unit is sealed up pretty good. I'm not gonna flood it out just in case. This will be a good one. I'll probably have to hit the front and the tops twice. So I'll be downstreaming. Oh, look from here. That's the money shot right there. That's gonna look good when we're done. Gotta be careful. They got a bunch of cameras. They all look like they're sealed up pretty good, weatherproof. But still gotta be careful either way. And have to be careful of that. I'll go ahead and I got my hoses ran. Everything's got to fire up the machine, get some soap out, start spraying. I'm gonna start over here and then work my way around back over there. Alrighty, we are all done. The front did up. Got the sides. Took care of the porch. A little soft wash. Everything came out looking real nice. Chimney's looking good. Up there is looking good. I probably can't see it with the sun. We got like a little water runoff issue back here. There's some stuff kind of damming it up or diffusing it. Not sure what the water word for diffusing is, but it's breaking the flow up over there coming this way, and their whole yard is like kind of almost a swamp. I got stuck over here in the beginning, but it's all looking good. In and out in an hour, and I got 300 for this one. I know somebody's gonna tell me they would have got like 9,000 for it in their area every day, and that's great. I'm real proud of you, but 300 bucks an hour, not bad at all. As always, if you watch this far, I really appreciate it. Been getting a lot of traction on this channel. I really appreciate that. If you're watching, please subscribe, drop me a like, talk some shit in the comments, tell me how many millions you would have made off of this, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.